Hello friends, let us see today the topic on the operations management. Today we're going to study this topic, and it has become really very important nowadays to study operations management, because each and every industry is looking forward towards this subject as very important, because each and every manufacturing industry has developed a demand for the operations management, uh, because every time new products are being coming into the market, and these products have got demand, and the products are being sold at larger prices. The company is becoming global, so the operations management has become really very important. So my dear friend, Mr. Robert Russell and Paula Taylor, these are the very great scientists who have actually made this subject quite easier to understand. So they have created this good presentation, and with the help of that I'm going to uh, explain you the complete subject. Let me tell you in the next slide what all things I'm going to cover in the presentation, so that it will be very easy for you to understand. uh, Here are the things which we are going to cover is nothing but the introduction to the supply chain management. We are going to take the quality management. Then we have to have quality regarding products quality. We are going to have the statistical quality control. We're going to have the product designs, how the product is being designed. Similarly, how the services are being designed, what are the process flow of the technology, what kind of facilities are there for the operations management, how the human resources are being applied in order to produce the good management, and how the project need to be handled. So all this kind of things comes under the part of operations management. So it's also very important to undergo all this parts is very critical, since this was going to be very helpful in the complete operations management. Here we do have the supply chain and strategy management. We are going to study in this course. We also have the global supply chain management, how the procurement is done and how the distribution is done globally, how we can forecast what all things will be required in the future, and how to gain the raw materials, how to keep it, and how to sell the finished goods, and how to manage the inventory. These all topics will be covered in inventory management. What kind of sales and what kind of operational processes are being going on. So all this will be covered in sales and operational management. What all resources are being needed, that will be covered in the resource management. And how the lean system works, this will be lean is a complete concept which is used by management in order to make mass production possible. So what are this concept and how the scheduling is done? Here we are going to study in scheduling processes. So it is completely a part of supply chain management. We are going to cover all these topics, and day by day each and every video will be covering single topics. So my dear friends, I would suggest you to stay tuned to this video, so that you'll be able to understand how the supply chain managements work, you know and these are the learning objectives we'll be looking in the next slide.